Welcome to Julie the Thrifty Designer. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about what I do to take my Christmas down, and I'm also going to show you a little bit of a Christmas haul that I got. So stay tuned and see what it's going to be. Alright, well, I had boxes of boxes brought up from the basement. In fact, I had all of my Christmas boxes brought up because actually I'm going to go through them a lot deeper than I did last year. Last year I was just creating a place to try to store them, which I have way more than I have actual space to store. So I'm bringing them all up, regardless if I used it or not this year, and I'm going to go through them and hopefully kind of pare it down just a little bit. Boy, do I have a ton of boxes. Oh my goodness, do I have a lot. It's a bit overwhelming too, because I got to go through every box and decide if I need to save anything out of it or I want to get rid of out of it. And then I've got to figure out how I'm going to pack everything into here so that it makes total sense. And I can put it away and get to everything I need to next year. Or for this year's Christmas, I guess you might say. We're in the next year now. So this tree will be coming down at some point, and I got to pack everything in it away so it makes total sense. I know this is hard to see, especially since the light is behind it, and you only get to see part of it because I ended up sticking it behind my couch over here by the tree, by the window, out of my way during New Year's. Well, I was in Walmart just a day before New Year's Eve, I guess, and they had this tree in there. It was their display tree, and I thought, I bet it's going to be at least $75 because it was $169 before Christmas. But I thought, well, I'll ask because see, it's got that built-in snow. I just love how it looks. It's got that hard snow. It just has a really cool look to it. And I know that right now it's not doing it any justice because it's just crammed in the corner and it's not decorated or anything. So I said, how much for the tree? Because the guy was standing there right next to it. He goes, $10. And I said, you're kidding me. He goes, nope. We want it out of here. We got to get our spring, summer patio stuff in, and we just need these trees gone. I said, $10? Seriously? He goes, I'm serious. $10. I said, well, I guess it's going home with me. He goes, well, it doesn't have a box. And I said, well, that's okay. I'll figure something else out. So I have yet to figure out what I'm going to do with it, how I'm going to store it. But to have a tree that has the built-in snow will be a nice alternative for me. Now, it's not a tree I'll probably use every year, but it is a tree that when I want to do the snowy scenes, I can use it. And next year, or this year, whatever, Christmas 2021, let's put it that way, my intentions, I have decided, is to do a winter wonderland for Christmas. Kind of a Currier and Ives, so to speak. Winter wonderland. So I'm going to definitely be using that tree. But it's a 6.5, 7 foot tall tree for $10. Cannot beat it. And it is pre-lit. I haven't plugged it in to make sure it works or not, but that's okay. I'll figure it out. Anyway, I just had to show you that tree. It goes clear to the floor, and it's just behind the sofa, so you can't see it very well. And I can't get to it very well to show it to you. But there's that tree. I think it's going to be a lot of fun this year. Okay, let's get this started. Now, I've already got a lot of stuff in the box that I did buy. Because I want to do a winter wonderland, I don't have a ton of wintry feeling picks to put around the house. All of mine is just normally the beautiful green. So I went into Walmart, of course, and they had all these sparkly ones. They were marked down to 49 cents each. Same with this, you know, all of these 49 cents each. Then Hobby Lobby's had these ones. They're gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, with the pine cone and the berries and the snow and the branches. I think there was 7 of them I was able to get. Anyway, they were 66% off. And so I grabbed what they had that I could do, and I think they're going to look really neat. And then they also had the snow, and it was 66% off, and so I grabbed it as well. And so these are some just really neat picks that I got, and I think I'm going to spread those throughout the house, and we're going to create a really pretty winter wonderland. So now this is just started. I figure with the snow, I can spray some on the window maybe, make it feel like a snowy, cold winter outside, as well as maybe I did it on this one right here. See, I just misted some of the snow a little bit more on it. You can see how the difference is. It's just sparkly, and this one has a little bit more of the snow tip to it. Can you see the difference? And I thought, that way I can have a little more of that winter frost. And I can stick these in trees, I can stick them on my garlands, I can stick them around like nativity scenes or sleighs or anything to create a nice winter feeling. So, Winter Wonderland is next, or this year's theme, 2021. So I'm looking forward to seeing it all pulled together. And then, of course, I've kind of done the usual. I've bought more Christmas lights. I got these for $1 a piece instead of $2. Then I went back to Hobby Lobby's, and they had their everything 90% off. But oh my goodness, they hardly had a thing left. There just wasn't anything much. But they did have these ice crystal picks. I got a few this year, or this last year. And this time I got it at 90% off, so it'd make them like $1 a stem. And so they had 7 left, and that was all they had was 7. So I grabbed those. And then Michael's was 70% off. And there wasn't a whole lot there I was really looking for either, because I'm just looking for some winter stems. And so I found this one. And what it makes is about $2.50, something like that is what I paid for this. And that's pretty. I got 2 of those, and then I found one that is just only one. I wanted at least another one like this one. It's ice crystals on a tree branch like thing. And I think that really came out neat, but I only could find the one. Sorry about how I'm doing this. I guess I should have had this laid out a little bit better for you instead of just pulling it out of the bags. And then this one, they only had 2 of these also. But look at that. Isn't that amazing? Sorry if you're hearing noise in the background. The neighbors are having a tree cut down or trimmed or something. But doesn't that look great? It looks like just frost. And I thought, I don't know where I'm going to put all of that, but it's really going to look, I think, pretty amazing. And then they had these blanket of snow, and I have ideas on where I'm going to use these. And I got these for like 79 cents each on them. You can't beat that. And let's see, what else do I have here? Then I had a banner, a silver banner that just says Joy to the World. And I thought, on the snow tree, somehow or another I can just maybe put it on a tree. And it just might actually look kind of neat. So I think, and then, I don't know, I got another container of some of that fake snow. And, I mean, I didn't get a whole lot of stuff. And then I just thought that looked like something you would see in the Currier and Ives picture as a light. So I think it works. Anyway, and then I found a sign. I'm just kind of trying not to get you sick by moving the camera around too much. Now my dogs are barking at the people. And at Michael's it said, "Let it snow." And I thought, I don't know, I'm going to make this all work. So I think this is going to be a lot of fun, pulling this look together this up and coming Christmas. When you want to buy the stuff on clearance, my tip is to look for what you think you're going to want to do for the next Christmas and get it on clearance at the most inexpensive price you possibly can do. and then put it away. Yes, tons of boxes here, and I'm buying more, but I also am hoping that I can figure out how to get rid of more also. So I just wanted to show you my little shopping haul and see why it's going to take me a while before I really truly get back to some serious, just normal decorating. So be patient with me. And now if I get things organized in such a way that I think it will make an interesting video for you, I will come back and show you that. But if not, give me a week or so to actually go through all of this and get everything picked up and put away and organized, and then we will get to some serious everyday style decorating for whatever I want to do. I think this year I'm leaning towards more cottage, old world cottage kind of feel still, but I'll see what I come up with. But meanwhile, right now, be patient with me. I have got boxes and boxes and boxes to go through, organize, and put my trees away and all the decorations away. And when I put them away, I also try to put them in such a way that the ones I am not going to use is put furthest back, and the ones I'm going to use is brought up more forward so I can get to them a whole lot easier. So I hope this doesn't make you go, oh my gosh. I hope it doesn't overwhelm you with what I have to do. It's a chore. It's a lot of work. But for me, I love Christmas so much that it is worth it for me. But last year I said I cleaned it up down there and made a space for everything. But I didn't really go through every Christmas box and decide whether it's stuff I want to use or not. So this year, it's going through everything and making sure it's what I really want to keep and use. I've already given rid of a couple of boxes of stuff that I don't think I'm ever going to use, and so I got rid of them. So now I'm going to start working on getting rid of more and condensing stuff into maybe fewer boxes. I might have a bunch of stuff spread out that I shouldn't be, that I can make so it makes more sense. So anyway, take care, guys. Just be patient with me, and we'll get to decorating as soon as possible. And you all take care, and God bless, and thank you so much for watching. And hey, right now, happy organizing, but also happy decorating. Y'all take care and God bless. Until you see another video, just be patient. Bye for now.